This is a Gree mini split air conditioner, and I'm going to talk to you about its error code. I've turned it on, and it's showing 16 degrees on the display. As soon as the error code appears on the display, I'll let you know why it happens and what the reason behind it is. So let's see, friends. Here it is. The F4 error is showing on the display. Whenever this error code appears, your indoor unit will keep running, but the outdoor unit will stop, and cooling will stop as well. So when this error code appears, what does it mean and why does it happen? Here, you can see that I've come to the outdoor unit. So whenever the F4 error code appears on the indoor display, it means that the condenser pipe sensor or heat exchanger pipe sensor in the outdoor unit has become faulty. It may have either short-circuited or gone open circuit for some reason, which causes this error code to show on the display. To fix this, what do you need to do? First, let me show you where it's positioned and where it's installed. Look, friends, all three sensors in the outdoor unit are installed in the same place, in this connector. This black wire here is the wire for your condenser pipe sensor. Now let me show you where exactly it is installed. From here, it goes down and is installed with the condenser pipe. By opening the cover, you can easily see it. Now, I will talk about the F3 error code. When the F3 error code appears on the display, what does it mean and why does it show up? Today, I will provide you with proper information about this error as well, how to remove the F3 error, and what causes it to appear on the display. Friends, this is also an outdoor unit fault, so let me take you to the outdoor unit, where I will explain everything to you in complete detail. Whenever the outdoor ambient temperature sensor or outdoor temperature sensor becomes faulty, or if it short circuits for any reason, the F3 error code will appear on the display and your outdoor unit will stop working while the indoor unit will continue to operate. So now I'll show you where it is installed on the PCB. Look, all three thermistors are installed in the same place, in the same connector, but the yellow wire here is the ambient temperature sensor. Now let me show you where this wire goes. As you can see, it runs from here to the back side of the outdoor unit. On the back side of the outdoor unit, it is installed openly, as you can see. This sensor is only sensing the outdoor temperature, so if it's hot, the unit can run according to the heat, and if it's cold, it can run according to the cold. Now, I will explain how to fix it. First, check the connector to ensure there's no loose connection. Check the cable to see if it's broken or cut anywhere. Also, try removing the connector and reinstalling it, as sometimes the unit's vibrations cause the wires and connectors to become loose. In such cases, there's a chance that removing and reinstalling it might fix the issue. Additionally, I'll show you how to check the resistance and perform the hot and cold water test, which will help you easily check the sensor and resolve the fault. If you've already replaced the sensor with one of the same value and the unit still isn't returning to working condition, it means your PCB might be faulty. In that case, you should get the PCB repaired. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.